Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. But I'm doing the viral cabbage boil today, and I'm just coring it right now, cleaning it up, getting all of that core out the middle part of it so I can season it. Have you all heard about the cabbage boil? I saw this and I was like, oh my God, I got to try this. I love cabbage. Cabbage is so good. But doing it like a seafood boil was really different. So I was like, I got to do this. So all of these seasonings right here I'm going to use, okay? I'm going to use all of these seasonings and we'll talk about them as we're seasoning this cabbage. But I'm just finishing up, cleaning the cabbage up, and getting everything together, prepared. But I'm slicing the bottom of my cabbage because I want it to sit on my foil really well. I don't want to be rocking or, moving around or anything. So I slice the bottom of it so it can sit. So we're going to go in with this olive oil first. And I'm using olive oil because I don't want to use butter. I'm watching my cholesterol, so I said I'll do olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to use that. I go in with Tony's no salt season. And I'm going to season all around the bottom, everything. I'm going to season all of that Tony's. Then I'm going to use this pepper. And then we're going to grab this onion powder. Put that onion powder on there. And I'm doing it generously all around. All of the seasonings I got to do all around because I want the whole cabbage to be flavored. This is garlic powder. So, yeah, I got to loosen that up a little bit. Okay, yeah. So, how y'all doing today? And this is ginger. Gotta have the ginger. Got to have the ginger because in my seafood boils, I put ginger. So I wanted that in there. And I didn't want a whole lot of it, just a little bit. But yeah, now I got some paprika. Paprika gonna make it nice and red. Pretty. So in the comment section, tell me if you would try this viral cabbage boil, and what would you put on yours, and how would you season yours, or do you like it, you don't like it? Give me some insights. Give me some comments. Let me know what you would do. I'm gonna put some more olive oil on it because I want it to be a little oily, so all of the seasonings will adhere to the cabbage. Now I'm using a little sassoon. The sassoon will really pop the flavor. And y'all, I thought about it. I was like, oh man, I need to put a little sweetener on there. So this is agave. Agave is good for people with high blood sugar. Okay, this doesn't spike your blood sugar. It like slowly enters into your bloodstream. It's not like regular sugar or any other sweeteners that spike your blood sugar. I'm trying to get away from the artificial sweeteners, so I'm using this because this is like organic and it's good for you. So yeah. So I'm rubbing this thing down, getting it nice and seasoned. But a lot of people, I didn't see anybody put any onion on their cabbage boil. So I'm going to slice up me some onions and put me some onions in it. So yep, there go my onions, and I think I need a few more. I'm going to grab my onion and slice up just a few more. And then I'm going to go in with some more seasonings to season my onion and make sure my onion is seasoned well. And this cabbage boil supposed to be in the oven maybe an hour and a half. So I'm gonna place it in the oven for about an hour first. And then I'll check on it here and there. But yeah, it's coming together well though. So I'm gonna tighten it up, close it up, and we going in the oven with it. So it's been about an hour. It's in the oven. So we're gonna take it out and see. We'll check it and see what it is. It's not done enough for me, so I'm gonna put it back in for about 35 minutes more. But when it come out next time, it's gonna be good. Well, here we go, y'all. It's been in for an hour and 33 minutes. Look at that color. Look at the juice in the bottom. I can't wait to taste it. So I'm cutting it into 4 so I can. And I bought a small cabbage because it's just me. And I think I'm going to take some to work tomorrow. But yeah, this thing is good. Good. I know it's good and seasoned. Look at there, right there. That's what I'm talking about. I wish I could have got the paprika all in that, where that color is not. I wish I could have got it all in there, but I'm getting ready to put this in this mouth right now. Oh my God. Whew. Bye-bye.